This price is crazy good. If you are a student, you should definitely watch this video. And even if you aren't a student and you have an A6000, right now might be a great time to upgrade from the A6000 to the A6100. So I'm going to talk about that in this video. A couple of weeks ago, I posted a video about Sony's various pricing issues. Since the launch of the A6100 and the A6600, Sony has been kind of all over the place, dropping prices and then not dropping prices on some models, and it gets a little bit confusing. I just wish that they did a better job marketing and just sticking to a particular price point with these camera bodies. Since the A6100 has been released, for example, the price on this camera has dropped from around $700 down to, well, let's take a look. Yes, that's right, you can pick up an A6100 with a student discount for $450, which is just amazing, especially considering that the exact same website, B&H, is selling the A6000 for, you guessed it, $448. It makes absolutely no sense whatsoever if you are in the market for one of these cameras for you to buy an A6000 right now. Just forget about it. And that brings me to my next point. The A6100 is a massive, massive improvement over the A6000 of 5 years ago. The A6000 was a great camera, trust me. That was my first mirrorless camera. I built my YouTube channel with that camera. But the A6100 does take it to another level. Now you get the brand new color science from Sony, which is amazing for skin tones, for portraits. You get the improved autofocus. You get a flip-up screen, which makes recording yourself so much easier. You get a microphone jack for recording external audio. Overheating issues have been resolved with this new line of cameras from Sony. No record limit, so you can record for an hour long as you have battery. This camera has 4K video recording. They fixed the loose mount issue. The sensor's been upgraded. The processor has been upgraded. I mean, there are so many things that are better about this camera. It just makes no sense whatsoever that you can buy a 5-year-old camera or a current model for the exact same amount of money. Which gets me to talking about whether or not now is the time to upgrade if you have an A6000 to an A6100. Now the going rate on eBay for an A6000 right now is around $300, $350. So potentially if you are a student and you are able to buy from B&H with this discount for $450, you can get yourself a brand new camera upgraded in so many different ways for $100, $150. I've been using the A6100 a lot recently to test out various lenses. Let me tell you, for portrait work, the results that you get with this camera are simply amazing. And for the price of $450, I mean, we're talking about almost half the price of an A6400, and you're gonna get the exact same results when it comes to photography between those two camera bodies. So $450 is a steal, and if you need the kit lens on B&H right now, it's about $530. So add, $80 and you get yourself a nice and cheap pancake kit lens if you need one. Interestingly, with the A6400, the price hasn't moved very much at all. In fact, right now, if you look at the B&H website, it is $808 with the discount, which is less than $100 off its original MSRP when this camera came out almost a year ago. The A6600, on the other hand, is priced very competitively, especially with the student discount. For $918, you can get yourself the top-of-the-line Sony APS-C mirrorless camera still. I'm just surprised that B&H is still running this promotion for students. So if you guys haven't taken advantage of it and you are in the market for a great camera, definitely check that out. But all three cameras are great. A6100, A6400, and A6600, all of them are excellent, and they will perform very similarly if you're just taking photographs. But the A6100 right now, I think, is just a bargain. $450 for a camera body that was just released a couple of months ago. Even Canon prices can't compare to the performance that you're getting for your buck with this camera. And since I'm on the topic, I'll reiterate something because I think it's important. From the very beginning when I started this YouTube channel with my humble A6000, I've subscribed to kind of a three-prong strategy when it comes to my photography hobby. Number one is I need to get out there and practice and take as many photos as possible, because If I'm just sitting around doing nothing, my skills are not improving. So no matter what you have, if you're just shooting with an iPhone, if you have a DSLR, if you have a mirrorless camera, get out there, make no excuses, practice, practice, practice. It's the only way to get truly good at what you are doing. Plus, it's a ton of fun. Number two, lenses are by far way more important than camera bodies. You can do much better work with a good lens and an older camera body than you can with a brand new camera body and something like the kit lens. I mean, lenses is where you should be investing, in my opinion, the majority of your money if you are into photography. Also, lenses tend to keep their value a lot better over the course of time. Number three comes the camera body. I've always said from the beginning, if an opportunity comes up for me to upgrade my camera body at a cost-effective price point, I will do it. So right now, for example, if I wasn't doing this YouTube channel and I didn't have 6 different APS-C mirrorless cameras and I only had one A6000, I would absolutely take advantage of this pricing and upgrade for $150. It makes a lot of sense. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I know a lot of you actually still own some cameras like the Nex 5 and the Nex 7 and the A5100 and the A5000. A lot of you have been using those camera bodies over the last 5, 6, 7 years. But I'm curious, does this pricing, $450, does it entice you to upgrade? Are you thinking about it? Or are you just happy with your camera bodies from several years ago? Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for all of the likes, comments, and support. Stay tuned for more. Stay safe and stay healthy out there. Bye-bye.